Hi guys, I'm Upaasana and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, you'll see a compilation of my hair flips, nonsense poses at random locations, and 7 outfits that I wish to wear in real life very soon. So let's begin. So for the first outfit, I kept it simple because trust me, we have some crazy outfits in this video as well. So here I wore a white shirt with these ankle length dhoti pants, added a pair of earrings, kolhapuri flats and a tote bag to complete the look. I don't know what I'm trying to do here, but I was having a good day, so that's my happy dance. For the second look, I paired my harem pants with a white colored off-shoulder crop top along with brown accessories such as my backpack and flats, which are barely visible. Sorry for that. Also, a huge shout out to my makeup artist Dinky for making me look so fancy. I'll leave the link to her Instagram page in the description box, so make sure you check that out. Now on to the third one. This is my favorite and trust me, I would wear it in real life as well. Here I have paired my magenta colored blazer with these floral harem pants and added these Oxford shoes, which I love, and a classy clutch to complete the look. Next one is again something that is comfortable, stylish and appropriate for college. Here we have a black cold shoulder top along with pure white dhoti pants, and to tie everything together I added this checkered print belt which makes the look stand out a little, along with this cute backpack, hoop earrings and black flats. Moving on to the party look, I wore a striped silk shirt, which is a tongue twister, along with these navy blue harem pants. I also added this belt but it kept on sliding, and for the footwear I wore my kolhapuri flats, no bag because I tend to lose them at parties. Now we have another college casual outfit here. I just wore a black sando with a black denim jacket, and trust me, this is my go-to lazy outfit. Completed the look with a backpack, flats and earrings, and I went for some awkward poses again. Now we are at the last outfit. This one is my second favorite as it is the most colorful one here. I paired this magenta colored velvet crop top along with these blue pants and topped it off with a cropped denim jacket. Moreover, I added these earrings, this sling bag and these boots, but you can wear your sneakers as well. So that was it for today's video. I hope you like it, and if you did, then don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye!
Yeah. Baby girl, you're so damn fine, though. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robins, and he's